Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious world of Bentley with the stunning Bentley Continental GT V8. If you're a fan of high-performance, luxury grand tours, this car is going to blow your mind. In this video, we'll break down its design, performance, technology, and what makes the V8 engine variant so special. Let's get started. The Bentley Continental GT V8 is a work of art on wheels. This car exudes sophistication and presence. At first glance, you'll meet with the iconic Bentley Matrix grille, flanked by bold LED matrix headlights. The long, sleek lines stretch along the body, emphasizing its sporty stance. The muscular rear end is highlighted by the twin oval tailpipes, which are unique to the V8 model. The car sits on 20-inch wheels as standard, but you can go up to 22 inches for an even more striking look. It's available in a range of custom colors through Bentley's Mulliner program, so you can tailor the car to your unique style. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Bentley Continental GT V8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It pumps out an impressive 542 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque. This allows the Continental GT V8 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, and it has a top speed of 198 miles per hour. 318 kilometers per hour. Despite the impressive performance stats, this engine strikes a perfect balance between power and refinement. Thanks to the V8 configuration, the car is lighter than the W12 variant, making it feel more agile and responsive in the corners. The exhaust note is also a bit sportier, delivering that deep, throaty V8 roar that petrolheads love. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Bentley Continental GT V8 offers a perfect blend of comfort and performance. It features Bentley's advanced air suspension system with dynamic ride, which adjusts the suspension automatically depending on road conditions and your driving style. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners, the Continental GT V8 remains composed and comfortable. The V8 engine is more efficient compared to the W12, and thanks to cylinder deactivation technology, it can shut off half of its cylinders during light cruising to improve fuel efficiency. However, the transition between V8 and V4 modes is so seamless, you won't even notice it. Now let's move inside, where the Bentley Continental GT V8 continues to showcase unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Premium leather, wood veneers, and polished metals cover every surface. The seats are not only plush and comfortable but also offer 20-way adjustability, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Bentley also gives you endless customization options inside the cabin. Whether it's selecting different leather colors or stitching patterns, you can make the interior feel truly personal. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find the stunning Bentley rotating display. This screen has 3 customizable faces, a digital touchscreen for infotainment, a set of classic analog gauges, or a clean wood veneer, allowing you to switch between a modern and classic aesthetic. Speaking of tech, the Continental GT V8 is packed with cutting-edge features. It comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The car also has a premium 10-speaker audio system as standard, but if you're an audiophile, Bentley offers an IM18 speaker system that provides a concert-like experience. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, allowing you to have all your crucial driving information at a glance. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, park assist, night vision, and much more. Although the Bentley Continental GT V8 is primarily a grand tourer, it doesn't skimp on practicality. It has a decent-sized trunk with 358 liters of space, enough to fit some weekend luggage or a couple of golf bags. The rear seats can comfortably accommodate 2 passengers, though legroom might be a little tight for taller individuals on long journeys. As expected from a Bentley, all of this luxury and performance comes at a premium. The starting price of the Bentley Continental GT V8 is around $231,800 in the US, but with options, that price can easily climb past $300,000. depending on your customization choices. The Bentley Continental GT V8 offers the perfect balance between luxury, performance, and driving enjoyment. It's a car that can effortlessly cruise across continents, all while keeping you in the lap of luxury. If you're looking for a grand tourer with a bit more agility and that iconic V8 growl, this might just be the Bentley for you. What do you think of the Bentley Continental GT V8? Would you take this over the W12 version, or perhaps another grand tourer like the Aston Martin DB11 or Ferrari Roma? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest luxury cars and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay classy.